Hello everyone and welcome to the DevOps Impact Journey. In today's video, we'll be discussing 5 trending DevOps topics to follow in 2023. If you're new to DevOps, don't worry, I'll go through each of the trends and give you some tips on how to get better understanding and build the skill sets on these topics. Trend number 1, cloud native technologies. Cloud native technologies have been gaining popularity over the years. With cloud native, applications are built to run in the cloud, making them more scalable, reliable, and resilient. This trend is not slowing down, and it's important to stay up to date with these cloud native tools like Kubernetes, Docker, and Terraform. Tips for beginners. Start with learning the basic of cloud computing and then move on to learning about cloud native technologies like Kubernetes, Docker, and Terraform. Practice deploying applications on these platforms to gain hands-on experience. Trend 2, automation. Automation has always been a key part of DevOps. With the increasing complexity of software development, automation is becoming more critical. With DevOps teams using automation to streamline their workflows, improve efficiency, and reduce errors, automation is a key advantage for companies. Tips for beginners. Start by automating simple tasks like deployments or backups. Learn a scripting language like Python or Bash to create scripts for automation. Familiarize yourself with tools like Ansible, Ceph, or Puppet for infrastructure automation. Trend number 3, infrastructure as code. Infrastructure as code is a practice of managing and provisioning infrastructure through code instead of manual process. With infrastructure as code, infrastructure can be version controlled instead and deployed like any other software code. Tips for beginners. Start with understanding the basics of infrastructure as code and learn a tool like Terraform or CDK for provisioning infrastructures. There's also Pulumi, check it out. Practice creating a deployment for infrastructure code and get some hands-on experience in that field. Trend 4, site reliability engineering or SRE. Site reliability engineering is a discipline that combines software engineering and operations. SRE teams are responsible for ensuring the reliability, availability, and scalability of the applications and services. Tips for beginners. Start by learning about the principles of SRE and how it differs from traditional operations or how it differs from DevOps. Practice monitoring and troubleshooting applications to gain hands-on experience. Familiarize yourself with tools like Prometheus, Grafana, and Splunk for logging and monitoring. Trend 5, security as code. Security as code has always been a concern in software development. With the increasing complexity of applications and the rise of cyber threats, security is becoming even more critical. Security as code is an approach to integrating security into the software development practice or process. So tips for beginners, start by learning about the basics of security and how it can be integrated into the development process. Familiarize yourself with tools like OWSP JAP, Jet Attack Proxy, Burp Suite, or SonarQube for static code analysis and vulnerability scanning. These are the top 5 trends to follow in 2023. As a beginner, it is important to stay up to date with these trends and learn necessary skills to stay relevant. Keep in mind, practice makes perfect. Get hands-on experience to solidify your knowledge on these topics. If you know some that I missed here, please let me know down in the comment section. That's it for now, and I'll see you in the next video.